What's going on, guys? We're going to start without E-Rock.
Shun. Unshun.
Alright, let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to seeing our reviews. Coltrane here and E-Rock. Today, we are going to be reviewing this little itty-bitty mag holder. Okay?
The itty-bitty.
Now, this is a Pitbull Tactical is the company.
Oh, that's right.
They are American-made.
Oh, yeah.
They're based in the U.S.
Where did we get this? In the Battlbox?
Yeah, we got that in the Mission 63 Battlbox, which also came with the gun case.
Yeah, that's right. And by the way, their Pitbull Tactical, their emblem is very cool. I love that logo.
Oh, here, you can. But anyway, this is a 9mm and 45 ACP mag holder. It can fit single and double stack. You can put it inside or outside the waistband.
But tell them about this strap thing. That's like the way it flexes. It's cool.
It's a two-piece. The way the mag holder is.
Right. It's
two plastic pieces put together by this, or held together by this, almost like a rubber band.
Mm-hmm.
But it's super heavy duty, like elasticity. Dropping some words on y'all. Anyway, it just flexes, and this is a double stack 9mm mag, and I'll show you guys. It just fits in real easy. That's it. Slides in super smooth. You don't have to like force it in there or nothing. All right, so these are $25 on the actual Pitbull Tactical website. It's just pitbulltactical.com. Super easy to find. They're on the very front screen. They're the Gen 2 Universal Mag Carrier. They come in a bunch of different colors. You can get them in like tan, OD green.
This holds everything from 9mm all the way up to
45.
So this will hold all your pistol mags pretty much. Okay, unless you have like a really long extended one, you know.
Yeah, I mean it's
like that long or something.
Yeah, that's why it's nice to have that elastic band on there.
Yeah, it is.
Because you can fit anything from 9mm all the way up to 45.
Right.
Which is really nice.
Now we tried this out the other day, and I can't really show on camera how smooth it comes out.
Yeah.
But man, it holds it snug. Like that thing ain't coming out. Okay. It slides out easily when you grab it and pull it, and it's not finicky. Like it doesn't matter which way you put it in. The mag. So
yeah, you can put it in for your right hand or your left hand draw, whatever.
Yep. Cool.
Really nice. I love that the company is American as well.
Hell yeah.
We did get this in the April Battlbox. We just did that video. Go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. We got the pistol case and a couple other pistol accessories.
Hell yeah.
If you haven't seen that, go check it out. Appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you next time.